Hello everyone, MPX Autos, James. How are you today? In this video we would like to share how to remove the factory radios in a MITSUBISHI FUSO FIGHTER 1224 BLUETEC and 2017 model, which is the similar one with many other FUSO. To start with, we actually need a few different tools like plastic trim removal tool and the screwdriver. So what we do is we start with the panel here, which actually is this one. This is the cover on the top here. It actually covers the top section of the fuse. Okay, the fuse panel over there. After that, you want to pull out this panel, which actually covering many other relays underneath, and it will pull out as a whole big panel from here down here. It's all plastic clip on the side, very simple and easy. Pull it out, it comes out, plastic clip, because we want to expose the section here to remove easier. Now the top panel here, from here to here, it's like on the top deck with the few plastic clip. So just use a plastic clip remover to slide in and pull it out. It comes out very simple, and it has a few clips at the back like this. Okay, and after that you actually want to remove 1 and 2 screw, 2 of these holding this big panel. After you remove 2 of these, you want to slide the plastic trim remover tool down here and peel off this bottom panel from here to here, which holding by a few the clip on the top here, plastic clip, no screw. So it comes out, and then you can simply pull this one out, the whole panel from here and here, pull it out. It has been holding by some plastic clip here and plastic clip here. You don't have to remove the connector from those panel button thing. If you don't want, just leave it, and then you have this panel open here, and you have access to this section, which you need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 screw on the top, and then another 4 of the same screw but at the bottom, holding the bottom of this storage section and the panel section here. Okay, so after 8 of the screw removed, you can easily remove the storage section here and the head unit sliding out. And after that, unplug every connector at the back as you want. That's where and how you actually want to remove the factory radio inside the FUSO FIGHTER 1224 2017 and similar generation 1. Okay, so thanks for watching, and hopefully this will be helpful for someone. Have a great day.